All right, this is a read aloud for the quiz over sections 911 and 912. All right, question 1 says to classify each of the pairs of angles shown in the image below. So we are looking at angle A as well as angle B. So what type of angle pair do we have here? Corresponding, alternate interior, same side interior, vertical, or none of these. Remember, alternate means opposite and interior means inside. Okay, question 2. Classify angle 4 and angle 2 shown in the image below. Will those be corresponding, alternate interior, same side interior, vertical, or none of these? Keep in mind that alternate means opposite and interior means inside. Okay. Next question, classify each of the pairs of angles shown in the image below. So we have angle A and angle B. Would these be corresponding, alternate interior, same side interior, vertical, or none of these? Okay, next question, find the measure of angle B. All the answers below are expressed in degrees. 101 degrees, 20 degrees, 59 degrees, or 121 degrees. All right, next question. What is the measure of angle F? Enter only the number in the space below. So you're not going to write out degrees or anything, you're just putting the number. So we are looking for the measure of angle F. Now think about what type of angle does F and the one that is 82 degrees make? And how many degrees would that be? Okay, next one. Find the measure of angle B. All the answers below are expressed in degrees. Would B be 27 degrees, 47 degrees, 63 degrees, or 117 degrees? All right, so this one we are looking for an angle pair. So 4 and blank are same side interior or inside angles. Enter only the number in the space below. So angle 4 and which other angle in this figure would be same side, meaning that they're on the same side of the transversal, and interior, which means that they're on the inside of the parallel lines. All right, what is the value of x? Enter only the number in the space below. So I will tell you, I think this might be easier for you if you write an equation first. So you might want to make sure that you have, if you don't already, some pencil, a pencil and some paper handy. What is the value of x? Enter only the number in the space below. Well, we should know that there are a certain number of degrees in any triangle. So using what we know about that, find the value of x. Again, it's just the number that you're entering. You're not writing degrees. All right, this one we're, doing the same thing as before, but this time we're finding the value of b. Again, we know triangles have a certain number of degrees when you add all three angles up. So use what you know about that to solve for b. Again, you're just doing the number. You're not writing degrees. Next, what is the value of x? I will say for this one, it might be easier for you to write an equation. So if you want to write an equation, I would encourage it. So you could also maybe plug in for x using what you know about the number of degrees in a triangle. So would it be 20, 30, 60, or 10? Next, what is the value of x? Enter only the number in the space below. Same thing with this one. Now this one, you do not have multiple choices. So for this one, I would say for this one, I would recommend writing an equation. This one, you're only putting the number in the space below. No need to write degrees. Okay. Next, what is the value of x? Again, you could write an equation, or if this one you would like to plug in with the given answer choices, you could do that as well. Just remember, when you're plugging in, you need to use those parentheses. So our options are 12, 19, 9, or 3. Ooh, this one looks very familiar. Looks like it was taken right from that homework or the classwork that we did. So, what is the value of x? Don't panic because there aren't any numbers. You know that regardless of the angle measure, every triangle has 3 angles that would add up to 180. So think about how could we solve this? And if x is the measure of each of the angles, then x should be the same for each angle. Final question. What is the value of x? Enter only the number in the space below. This one, especially because it's not multiple choice, I would recommend writing an equation. So what you could do is you could take all of those angles, add them together, set them equal to however many degrees each triangle has in it, and then solve for x. Again, you're only putting the number in the space. You don't need to type out degrees. All right, and make sure you submit when you finish, and that is the end of the quiz. Have a good weekend.